Hey everyone, I'm Josh, part of the How to Start an LLC team. Welcome to our essential guide on how to start an LLC in North Carolina. If you're eager to transform your brilliant idea into a thriving business, you've come to the perfect place. We're here to guide you through each phase of the process, from the initial documentation to the celebration of your big launch in an easy to follow and really comprehensive manner. Before we delve into the specifics, it's crucial to understand that you can form an LLC independently or use an LLC formation service. We strongly suggest considering an LLC formation service, especially if you're navigating the business landscape for the very first time. Why? You might wonder. Well, it streamlines the entire process, ensures adherence to all of North Carolina's state regulations, and offers invaluable peace of mind. Plus, these services often come at more reasonable prices than you might expect. So don't forget to check out the link in our video description below for one of the most reliable LLC formation services, featuring a variety of plans to suit your financial budget. Now, let's focus on the steps for establishing an LLC in North Carolina. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Name your North Carolina LLC. Great. You're set to launch your dream business in North Carolina. The first crucial step now is picking a name, but it's not just any name. It should align with your brand and leave a lasting impression on your audience or customers. Your business name isn't merely a label. It's your first interaction with people coming through the doors and those customers that will pay you back. In North Carolina, your chosen name must be unique and include LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company at the end. Got some names already in mind? Well, excellent. Your next step now is to check if they're available. For this, you'll need to visit the North Carolina Secretary of State's website. We've included the link in the video description below for easy access just for you. Once you've found an available name, it's a smart move to reserve it with the state. This can be done through the business name reservation process on the very same website. Step 2. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is an essential part for setting up your LLC. A registered agent acts as your LLC's official point of contact for legal documents and government correspondence. In North Carolina, your registered agent can either be an individual resident of the state or a business entity authorized to conduct business in North Carolina. It's crucial that your registered agent is available during normal business hours to receive important documents on behalf of your LLC. When choosing a registered agent, it's really important to consider reliability and accessibility. You can also opt for professional registered agent services, of which can offer you more additional peace of mind and ensure compliance with state requirements. Don't know where to start and need assistance in finding a registered agent? Then no worries, we're here to help you. Take a look at the link in the video description below for recommendations on top registered agent services available in North Carolina. Step 3. Determine your management structure. In the world of LLCs, there are two main management styles. There's member managed and manager managed. Think of it as choosing between a hands-on DIY project or hiring out a contractor. In a member-managed LLC, it's all about teamwork. The members, that's you and your partners, really do roll up your sleeves and manage the day-to-day operations. It's perfect for smaller crews where everyone wants a say in how things are run. This is where you bring in the pros, the non-member employees or managers, to handle the daily operations. It's like having a dedicated captain for your ship. And yes, a member can also be a manager, but they'll need to collaborate with at least one non-member manager. Small team, with everyone wanting to be involved, then the member managed might just be your jam. Larger group, with some preferring to stay in the background, manager managed could just be your best bet. In North Carolina, your LLC is automatically member managed unless you specify otherwise in your articles of organization. So Think carefully about what works best for your business. Step 4. File the Articles of Organization with the North Carolina Secretary of State. Once you've taken care of the initial steps, it's really time to make your LLC official in North Carolina. This is done by filing the Articles of Organization with the North Carolina Secretary of State. Now, the Articles of Organization is a formal document that officially establishes your LLC in the state. This document requires some key pieces of information, including the name of your LLC, the address of your principal place of business, the name and address of your registered agent, and the names of the LLC's organizers. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail. The North Carolina Secretary of State's website provides an online filing option, which is often the fastest and most convenient method. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization must be paid at the time of submission. Filing the Articles of Organization is a critical step in the formation of your LLC, as it is the document that legally establishes your business in the state of North Carolina. After filing, you'll receive a confirmation and your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of North Carolina. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The fifth step in forming your LLC in North Carolina is drafting an LLC operating agreement. While this step is not a legal requirement in North Carolina, it still is highly recommended for the successful and structured operation of your LLC. An LLC operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines the ownership structure and operating procedures of your LLC. It serves as a roadmap for how your business will run and helps in managing internal operations. This agreement should detail the members' percentage interest in the LLC itself, their rights and responsibilities, the allocation of profits and losses, and the procedures for bringing in new members or handling departures. You could draft an operating agreement by yourself, use an online template, or seek legal assistance to ensure that it covers all necessary aspects and complies with North Carolina state laws. Need a hand drafting one? Well, we've got you covered. Check out our complimentary operating agreement template in the video description. It's a really solid start. But do keep in mind that every business is unique, so you may need to tweak it to customize to your specific needs in your business. Step 6. Get an employer identification number. It's time to give your business a distinct identity with the Internal Revenue Service, also known as IRS. We're referring to acquiring an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, for your enterprise. An EIN acts as a unique identifier for all tax-related matters concerning your business. This includes filing taxes, opening a business bank account, or managing payroll. Your EIN is the number you'll need. Obtaining this number is straightforward and free. Simply visit the IRS website and apply for it through an easy online process. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. In order to legally operate, your business will require specific licenses and permits. The requirements for these licenses and permits vary depending on your location, the nature of your business, and the services in which you provide. Although navigating the myriad of business licenses may seem a little daunting, rest assured, it's more straightforward than it first appears. You will need to consult with both local and state government agencies in North Carolina to determine the precise licenses and permits your LLC needs. Licenses can range from a general business license to more specialized licenses and permits, such as health licenses for restaurants or zoning permits for businesses operating from a physical location. Be sure to check the description below for a link to a comprehensive guide on how to obtain the necessary business licenses and permits in North Carolina. Step 8. Choose your tax status. One of the advantages of an LLC is the flexibility in how your business can be taxed, which can have a significant impact on your financial bottom line. You have the option to be taxed as a default LLC, a C corporation, or an S corporation. By default, LLCs are considered and treated as disregarded entities for tax purposes, meaning the business itself does not pay taxes. Instead, profits and losses are passed through to the owner's personal tax returns. This structure is straightforward and often advantageous for smaller businesses. If you're looking for something a bit different in a different arrangement entirely, you may opt for your LLC to be taxed as a C corporation. In this scenario, the business itself is subject to corporate taxes. Although this considers more paperwork, it could be beneficial if you intend to reinvest profits back into the business or plan to go public in the future. Alternatively, you can choose the S corporation status, which may offer tax benefits like avoiding double taxation on dividends. However, be mindful of the restrictions on the number and type of shareholders. Selecting the appropriate tax status is crucial, but can be complex. It is advisable to consult with a tax professional to fully understand the implications for your specific business situation here in North Carolina. That's it. You've successfully navigated the steps and your North Carolina LLC is now officially formed. Congrats on reaching this significant milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. You really have turned your vision into a legitimate business, ready to make an impact. If you found this guide helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content just like this. Your support really does help us create more resources for aspiring business owners just like yourself. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. We're here to help you have a stress-free and optimized launch of your business and help you in every step of your business journey, offering tips, tricks, and essential information to make your venture a true success. Thanks again for watching, and here's to the success of your new LLC in North Carolina.